Well, hi folks. Welcome to Gullycon. In fact, Gullycon3 now, right dude? What? What do you mean, what? That's today? Yeah.
Oh, I was wondering why people actually showed up.
Right. So what do y'all want to start this event off with? Billy Bob, Looney Bird, come on out here.
Hi everyone. Sounds like we got another no theme situation going on here. Why don't we ask the people what they want to hear?
Good idea. What do y'all want to see? Shout it up here. Yeah. Right.
Now, you people clearly have no taste. Is that the best you can come up with?
I couldn't agree more. We need something new, something spectacular.
No. We need to start off with a classic, something iconic.
You and your old music. Why not try a Walk on the Wild Side? These folks clearly want something new.
You guys.
Actually, they're already voted. I can see it on my super evil vote system here. They're gonna get it.
Yeah, I bet everyone voted for me and one of my world-famous homages to Frank Sinatra.
They didn't want it last time. Why would they want it now?
I must say, I quite agree with Rob. Fairy tales can come true. It can happen to you.
No. We have done that far too many times. It's starting to get old.
That threat's coming from you. Last time you voted for Abbey Road.
Come on, you guys, be nice. Now, Looney, which show got the most votes? I say we start with that one.
That would be Monkey's method.
Perfect.
Imbeciles.
Sounds good to me. Hit it, dude.
Here we come, walk down the street. It's funniest first fun, everyone we meet. Yeah, for the monkey, it's a monkey round. We're too busy singing, but everybody down. Go where we want, do what we like to do. And if you take me, boy, you do the same thing too.